Hello everyone, welcome again. My name is Rahul Singh and today I will share about the features of Java. What are the features of Java? We will discuss the point wise in the detail. In the last few videos, I have shared about what is Java and the history of Java, when Java was developed and what is all about the Java. So if you want to check out, you can check out those videos in the same playlist. Let's discuss about the features of Java. So features of Java are simple, object-oriented, portable, platform-independent, secured, robust, architecture-neutral, multi-threaded, distributed, and dynamic. Now let's understand all features of Java one by one in the detail. The first point is simple. Java is simple. Now the question is why Java is simple? The reason is that Java is very easy to learn and its syntax is simple and easy to understand. And there are some other features which makes Java simple. Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features like explicit pointers, operator overloading, etc. And Java has one more feature that is automatic garbage collection. Like we have not to remove manually the unreferenced object. Java will automatically remove those unreferenced object automatically. And for those students who are already those students or professional who have already learned the C++, for them it's easy to understand and learn the Java because Java syntax is related to the C++, and Java programming language is also written in the C++ programming language. We have seen that how Java is a simple programming language. Now let's see that how why Java is a object-oriented programming language. If any points you are not able to understand, not don't worry about that. We will understand those in the detail in the next videos. So let's see that why Java is an object-oriented programming language. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object-oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different type of objects that incorporate both data and behavior. Let's understand that with the real time example, real life example, like in real life, like any car is an object and their data and behavior like their mileage, their color, model, and the manufacturer. Those are called as their data and behavior. And basic concepts of OOPS are actually we called object-oriented programming system in the short form OOPS. And the basic concepts of OOPS are object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. We will see all of these points in the detail in next videos. Now let's understand about the features which is portable. That why Java is called as the portable. The reason is that the if you as you know that the meaning of portable means if we can carry anything from one place to another place, that is called the portable. So the same thing is happening with the Java code. Like we can port or we can carry the Java bytecode to any platform and run those very easily without any implementation. That is the reason it is called as the portable programming language. Like whenever we compile our Java program, it gets converted into the Java bytecode, and we can run those on any platform, and we can carry to the any platform. That's why it is called as the portable programming language. Now let's understand about that point number 4, which is platform independent. So why Java is called as the platform independent? A platform stands for any hardware and software which helps for any implementation, for the execution of the program. So Java is platform independent, and it is also called as the write once and run anywhere, WORA in the short form. Like if we have compiled our Java code on any other platform, and if you want to run the same code on any other system, we can run that very easily without any additional software or without any platform. Like Java code can be executed on multiple platforms, for example, Windows, Linux, Sun, Solaris, Mac OS, etc., etc. So Java code is compiled by the compiler and converted into the bytecode. And the same bytecode we can run on any platform. Like we have compiled our Java code on the window, and if you want to run the same bytecode on the Mac OS, we can run those very easily. That is the reason it is called Java programming language is called as the write once and run anywhere, WORA, and it is called as the platform independent language. This is the reason, that's why it is called as the platform independent language. Now let's understand about the secure point, that why Java is a secure programming language. Java is called as a secure programming language. Like we can develop the application in the Java program which can be virus free system, virus free, and there is a bytecode verifier in the Java which check the any illegal code that can violate the application and is removed by the Java. That is why it is called as the secure programming language, and it gives a virus free system, and there is a bytecode verifier which check the illegal code. If any illegal code in the like our application, which will be removed by the bytecode verifier. This is the reason that's why it is called as a secure programming language. Now let's understand about the robust feature. Why Java is called as the robust programming language. So there are some features, there are some points that make Java as a robust programming language. That like the English meaning of robust is a strong, and there are some points that make Java robust, like its use a strong memory management and the lack of pointers. That's about security problem. And as we have already discussed about the garbage collection, automatic garbage collection, that if any unreferenced object is there in the system, that will be automatically removed by the Java. And there are exceptional handling and type checking mechanism that make Java as a robust programming language. So these are the features like memory management, lack of pointers, garbage collection, and exceptional handling and type checking mechanism that make Java as a robust programming language. Now let's see about that. The point is architecture neutral. Why Java is called as the architecture neutral? The name refers that neutral. Like it is neutral on the different architecture. Like some programming language which takes different type of size for the different data type. Like C programming language, uh, it's take 2 byte of memory for 32-bit architecture and 4 byte of memory for 60-bit architecture. But in the case of Java, it is neutral. It occupies 4 bytes of memory for both 32 and 64-bit architecture in Java. That is the reason why it is called as the architecture neutral, because it is neutral throughout the architecture. Now let's understand about the feature which is multi-threaded. So what is multi-threaded? So before understanding about the multi-threaded, let's understand first about the thread. So what is thread? Actually, thread is like a separate program executing concurrently. So in Java, Java support that we can write a program with many tasks at once by defining multiple threads. And the advantage of multiple threading is that it doesn't occupy memory for each thread. It's a common area, and it keeps, like in the short memory, it keeps a fast system, and we can run easily a multiple uh, task concurrently and together. This is the reason why Java is called as a multi-threaded programming language. Now let's understand about the distributed features. That why Java is called as the distributed programming language. Java is called as a distributed programming language because it's allow programmer to write distributed application in Java. Means a Java programmer can access and run the program which is running on the other system with the help of internet. Distributed application, like if any user programmer is sit on the A machine and want to access the code which is running on the B machine, so they can easily access and run. If internet is available on both of the system, they can easily run and access the application. That is why it is called as the distributed application. Now let's discuss the last feature, which is dynamic. Why Java is called as a dynamic programming language? The reason is that it loads the class file during runtime only. Hence, anything that happens in the runtime is dynamic. As we know that we can run a compiled Java bytecode on any platform which support the Java, like Windows, Mac OS. So whenever we uh, run the bytecode on the platform, it loads the class file during the runtime only. That is why it is called as a dynamic programming language. We have seen all the features of Java in the detail one by one. Like as we have discussed about the why Java is simple, about the garbage collection, and it's easy to learn and just understand. And we have seen about the object-oriented feature, that why Java is object-oriented. Like the methodology of Java object-oriented is as class, object, inheritance, encapsulation, and Java is portable. We have seen that why Java is portable programming language, because we can port the program from one platform to another platform, and is a platform independent programming language because We can run a compiled Java code from one platform to another platform, and it is a secure programming language because it's allow us to develop the virus-free system, and it has the bytecode verifier that check the illegal code that can harm the user, and it is the robust application programming language. We have seen that the reason, and we have seen that why it is the architecture neutral, and we have seen about the multi-threaded, how it occupy the same common area of memory for the different thread, and why it is the distributed application, how it's allow programmer to write the distributed application, of why it is a dynamic application. So if you have any doubt about what we have discussed throughout this video, please share your question in the comment section. I will answer those as soon as possible. Thank you so much.